In today's video, we are going to show you how to turn off AI features on Google for both desktop and mobile. Now, if you've noticed Google's new AI overviews showing up in your search results and you'd rather see the classic search layout, this video is for you. Let's begin. Google's AI features in search results are enhancements powered by generative AI and machine learning that makes search more conversational, visual, and context-aware. For example, I type in how to turn off AI on Google on desktop and mobile. You would notice that it gives you a short AI-generated overview. Now, for you to be able to turn it off, the first thing that you need to do is to click the three dots icon, and I want you to click the settings. From here, I want you to click the search engine, and there should be an option that says Manage Search Engines and Site Search. From here, hover down below where you can see the site search. We need to manually click the add button, all right, and type in the name. Now, in this instance, what we need to do from here is very simple, okay? I want you to type in Google Web, and then for shortcut, maybe add web for now, and for the URL with its like a $$ in place of query, you can type this query back. Don't worry because it's part of the description. After that, you might want to try to restart your browser and click the three dots icon and click the make default. All right. Now, for you to be able to test it, I want you to go to another tab if you wanted, and then maybe type in another query. And as you may notice, the AI on Google feature has been turned off. It's very simple and straightforward, right? Now, if that works, then we need to try it on your mobile device. Now, on your phone, I want you to search for anything. So in this case, we're gonna do the exact thing, which is searching for how to turn off AI on Google on desktop and mobile. And what will happen is, it will still give you the AI feature. Now, similar to the methods earlier, what we're going to do next is to get rid of that by going to this specific website. It's called 10bluelinks.org. It's very important to go to this website first because it gives you a very specific instructions. Okay? So number one is once we have visited the 10bluelinks.org, we need to open a new tab and search for anything in Google. Now, I'm going to click the three dots icon on the top right corner and, of course, create a new tab and type in anything. And as you may notice, the AI overview is still here. We are trying to get rid of that. Now, the next thing is, in the instructions, go to the settings, and I want you to click the search engine and click the recently visited, which is going to be on the Google Web. And that is 10bluelinks.org, right? Now, if you do that and you try to search for something here in Google again, try anything random, as you may notice, the AI features has been entirely removed, right? It's very simple. And with that being said, now you've successfully turned off Google's AI features on both desktop and mobile. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.